There's a lot of people like that by our house.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
But no, there's one by our house that's not. I don't think he's harmless. He's kind of weird. He's like really. He gets really anxious really easy.
You're talking about Sticks?
Yeah.
Oh, he's harmless.
Yeah, but the kid thing.
Go, little cockroach! I believe in you.
He's not he guys.
Yeah,
Marshmallow. But
looks-
he
it looks
gets
bad.
really. It's like he gets really upset at people when they're going through the drive-thru and Jackson Box. Because that's by where he goes.
Oh,
It's by his dumpster.
Alright,
He's
and if he yells spiders at him, he starts jumping.
yeah, so don't do that.
Doodle-doo-doo. Doodle-doo-doo.
Alright, you got a little kid over here.
Haha.
Oh, too bad for the cockroach.
Oh, did it go back down?
Oh, now he's on
No, he's on his